Alright gents, it's bike swap time. So Jake's jumping on the beast, the FZ1, and I'm going to test out this beast. Low range torque. That's supposed to say there. So last time I rode one of these was about 2 years ago, so oh, it feels so different. Can't even get this key turned. Alright, here we go. MT07. Oh, that sound is crazy, man. Little bar and mirrors. Whoa, pedals are so high. Whoa, that front end feels so different. MT07, oh my god, it feels so nimble. Oh, that sound, man. The sound is crazy on these bikes, man. It's just, it sounds like thunder. Feels like it's got some grunt. Yeah, that mid-range is really oh my god, I see what he means. That engine braking is crazy. Wow. What instant torque, man. See, on the FZ1 you don't have that kind of instant torque. You've got a bit more gradual, but then it pulls really hard. But this is just straight away. Engine braking is so much, man. It's a really nice bike though, man. For this size engine and the I don't feel like I'm going that fast, but oh, has got good brakes actually. It's got some nice subtle pops, to be honest. I think mine's a bit crazy, but it's nice, like just every now and then you get a little on the overrun, a nice little pop. Man, epic. Whoa, we're getting some pops now. I really like the gearbox, you know, it's really easy to like shift gear, and it just slots in like nicely, and it's a very solid feeling once it's in. It's not kind of mushy at all. Oh man, that second gig, it gets me every time, man. It's literally like, it's like you just put the brakes on, man. Oh my god, crazy. I'm gonna get back on mine and feel like it's in neutral. Now I get why they hate caravans and Top Gear. Stuck behind this guy. Can't see. some nice torque, man. I don't even know what gear I'm in 5th. Hey, it's got some good torque, man. Brakes are on, man. Has he made it? Oh, he's still stuck behind the caravan. Come on, man. Gotta overtake. Is there. It's not bad at all, man, for a 600. Got to keep it in the gear range more often, but otherwise when you're in there, whoa! Oh man, it's good fun, man. This is it's a nice bike, man, just to mess around on. It's just a bit of a hooligan machine, isn't it? Very nice, man. There you go, guys. A little run on the good old MT07. Thanks to JBL for letting me take it out. And hope you enjoyed this engine braking video. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.